Hi folks, this is Michael P. in the Tech Office with a quick how-to on updating your directory page, or the Jane page as it's often referred to. Now, where does that live? Well, I'm here at the Pinckney Community Schools website, which is www.pinckneyschools.org. Once I get there, I'm going to click on this directory link right here, and it will take me to the directory search page. I'm going to go ahead and find my name and click on Find Records. There's my name there, and I'm going to click on my name. Once I've clicked on my name, you can see I get the information that I was looking for here about me. And here is a posting that I've made using the Jane tool. Now, how did I do that? I sent an email. And I'm sending an email to jane@pcs.k12.mi.us, and I'm sending that email from my PCS email account, which is my username at pcs.k12.mi.us. So when I put in the subject, I put in this as what I want as the title. So the subject of the email becomes the title of the post. It will automatically put in here the date and time stamp. And then whenever I put in the content of the body of the email message becomes the content that is the body of this post, so that you see I've highlighted it here. And notice that mine actually here, right here, includes my signature. Now, I did that so I could show you what it looks like with a signature, and I'll show you how to avoid that on your own posting. So, like I said, it all starts with an email. Let's cut over to my email, and you can see I'm sending an email to jane@pcs.k12.mi.us. I'm using the Apple Mail program to do this. You could use webmail to do this. It just has to be an email account that uses your user at pcs.k12.mi.us account. Okay? So for the subject, just like I said before, the subject is what's going to show up as the title of my post. I'll put in here, Jane rocks! Exclamation point. Optional. And then you can see my email automatically appends the signature on the end. So in this case, I'm just going to highlight it and delete it so I get rid of it. And then I can put down here some message like, I am having so much fun working with Jane. And that deserves something like a heart. Okay, then if you'd like to include some attachment here, so let's say it's a piece of homework or some news information update, a worksheet that you want to send home, a form that needs to be filled out by parents, any of that sort of thing you can attach, or even some image that you may have taken while you were doing something really cool in the classroom. You can attach that right here. I'm just going to use the attachment tool and go down here and find a picture of me. And how about we pick a JPEG? There's a photo. I'll choose that file, and that's a great one. Once I've got it all in there the way I want it, so I've got the title of my post, I've got the content of my post, and I've added an attachment that's an image. And I'm going to go ahead and send that out. As soon as I send it to Jane, if I go back out here, you'll see nothing has happened. The way Jane works is it checks the email about every minute or two, and because of that, I'm not going to see instant results as soon as I go to this page. I'm going to have to wait for Jane to get updated. It might take a minute, it might take 2, it might take 5, so I just have to be patient. But that's not always easy to do. So I'll try reloading right now, see if we get anywhere. I'll put my name in again here. That's me. Find records. Me. There yet? Hey, look at that. It's there already. And you can see it's resized the image that I sent, and it has put the title that I put in there. Notice there's no signature at the end here because I was sure to delete that before I sent this email off. And there's the information. Now, here's one thing I do want you to be aware of. Jane is still working. Notice how my picture disappeared over here? That sometimes happens. It will come back. It'll just take it a couple minutes to finish all of its processing. Once it's finished all its processing, my picture will be back, and I believe there'll be a larger image for you to view here as well. So that's all there is to sending things to Jane. Again, from your email, send to Jane at pcs.k12.mi.us. The subject line includes your title, and the content and any attachments go in the body of the message. Newest email always shows up at the top, and that's all there is to it. Have fun.